Found
He's
a...
finding his way onto the grass, actually. I'd leave him. He seems to know where he wants to go.
It's still the wrong way.
Yeah, but somebody will come on bicycle and
Yeah.
they don't bite, you can hold on him.
No, I know, but...
He's gone, I'd leave him.
Oh,
It helps with
okay.
bicycles,
Yeah.
just as he crosses the road.
It's what I think.
Amazing. Gosh, you never know it was there now. He's so
Exactly,
deep
so I'd just
underground.
leave him.
Right, we'll leave him.
I think he is gone. Yeah.